Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. I still remain Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to use Poppo Live app. This app is a social media app where you earn from the app. This app is a very good one. Actually, they just completed their 5 years anniversary and they are actually giving out their anniversary free every 8 p.m. UTC. So if you're going to be awake to 8 p.m. UTC, you just have to claim your own anniversary frame from Poppo Live. Now, this app is a very good app. This is the home screen of the app. This is how it looks. If you haven't, download yours and then you can just go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and install one. Or if you have an invite link sent to you by anybody that is making use of Poppo, you could just click on the link and download the app on your phone or any device of your choice. Now, having done that, the next thing you have to do is to log in. You can log in using your Facebook, your Google, depending on your choice. Now, this app is the app that you can earn from in different ways: by going live, by joining an agency. You can join an agency. You can also buy me medals. You can become a guardian from this app. You can become a VIP from this app and see in as a VIP from the app. There is always a reward for any stage you take in this app. You can invite someone and get reward. Each person you invite, you're going to be having $25.6 reward. Now, the next thing you can do here is for you to right here, clicking on this O icon here. This is how my profile looks. You're going to see my name, my ID, the number of followers I have so far. This is a new account. You're also going to see my coin, my points, the reward I have. All this is what you're going to see in the app. Now, if you need help, you can just send your help from this section and then Poppo Live will give you reply within 24 hours. You can also watch your history here. Now, this watch history involves the live that you have done so far in the app or videos that you have watched from the app this week. It's going to pop up there. Now, if you have joined an agency, you can just see yourself from here, see your details from here. But if you haven't, you have to just enter a particular ID of an agency that you want to join and just click on submit and join the agency. You can also send your user ID and host code number to any agency of your choice for he or she to add you to his team or her team. Now, joining an agency helps you to have more advantage to the app and have more features and access to the app. But when you join an agency, it's not going to be that easy for you to leave the agency without any concrete reason. So you have to be sure of what you want to do, and you cannot become an agent and still join another agent. It's not possible, and you're just going to receive reward from only your agent. You can agent that's your own team. So if you create an agency team, you have hosts, you have members, and they are doing very well, you aim from those group of your members that are doing very well. There's a particular reward that will be dispatched to you in every activity or event that your team participates, and particularly there's an award that goes to you as a good leader for that agency team every month. Now, you can also complete your authentication if you haven't. We have face authentication. This face authentication allows you to be able to go live in the app. If you haven't completed your face authentication, you cannot actually go live in Poppo Live. Binding a phone. This means that you have to bind your phone number to this account to make it more secured. So this is what we mean by authentication, just to protect your details in this app. Now we have the one, follow us. This is where you can follow people live. You can follow people live in their Facebook, you can follow people live in the Instagram, you can follow people live in their tweets, any of them. You can follow them even in their TikTok. So any of them you want to follow people live community, it's just your choice. You just click on it and follow them up from that section. So we have what we call video creator center. This is where you see the videos that you create and how the view so far has been for that video. All the videos that you have created, it will count here. The top original videos will count here. You're going to see the last 7 days data of that particular video, the interaction, the play count, and the new followers that that particular video was able to attract within the first 7 days. Now you can also see the streaming center from this section right here. If you have completed the authentication, you can actually stream. It's a live stream inspiration. They're going to give you guidelines here. We have live stream titles, live stream tag, and location recommendation. So this will help you do well in streaming. People that are live on Poppo will be able to identify you faster when you add your location, add your tag, and add your description. This will make it more interactive and fun. So now the hours of the live stream will pop out here in the streamer center. You're going to see the point you in during the streaming. You're going to see the new followers that joined you during the streaming, and the audience you were able to attract. So if you want to start, you just click on the start streaming from this section and start streaming. Now from this section, I believe you understand. If you want to click on the settings icon, you can click from it here, or you scroll and then can click from it here. So here is your settings icon where you have to see your account and security, the security password, your language settings, the blacklist, the privilege settings, the new message notification, privacy, the version of the app. You have to learn more about the app from here, and network diagnostics. You can also clear cache, switch your account from here if you have more than one Poppo account, and log out. Now talking about having more than one account in this app, if you have more than one account, you cannot actually complete face authentication in 2 accounts. It simply means that someone else have to do the second authentication for you, not same face. If you try doing face authentication twice, it won't work. So you just have to have one face authentication and one Poppo account, so you can see how secure this particular app is. Now let's go to this one here. So right here is where we see the messages from the app, notifications from the app. If there's any official message, it's going to pop out here. You say, welcome back Felicia, we are preparing a surprise gift package for you, go to receive. So you're going to see every message that Poppo wants to tell you from this section. Clicking on this one here, so right here you're going to see all the videos that are live, and all the videos have been posted by different followers and people on. So as you can see, it just look like a moment. For those people that say they cannot find a moment, this is actually where you can see everything that you want to see. Actually the moment has been removed, and this time Poppo work with videos, not pictures again. So you can also see the square. So right here is a square. It contains mainly your videos, it contains your stickers, your emoji that you used for entertainment in the app. So as you can see people's video already here. So that's it. You can also see people that you're following, and if you want to follow any of these people, you can actually follow them. So if you want to follow people from this section, if you have people that you're following from this section, you're going to see it from here. I've not followed anyone yet, so that's why you're not seeing any people that I'm following here. Now let's go to this one. Now looking at this place is more of party. Everybody that is partying, everybody have created a party. This is the party section. You're going to see different people that are already partying in the app. chatting in the app, all you have to do is to join them. But if you want to create yours as someone that has completed authentication in the app, all you have to do is to click on the party here and start partying too, and you have your own audience to join you as you party. We have the last one here, it takes us to the dashboard, takes us to the interface of the app. So right here you see everybody that is live, you see the top connecting followers or top people in the app, you see people that are live on the app, people that have something to say now, people that are already chatting. As you can see, yeah, right here is already reading. These people have particular number of people that are chatting with them presently now in the app. So if you want to join any of them, all you have to do is to click and start watching and just join. As you can see, this is how it looks. You just have to click and join. So